Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can make your Facebook account private. Welcome to H-QTV. My name is Samuel Aweyemi. This video I'm going to show you on how you can make your Facebook account private. The first thing is to log into your Facebook account and click on the menu icon by my right hand side and go to settings. Then click on Privacy Checkup. You can see now Privacy Checkup. Then we will guide you through some settings so that you can make the right choices for your accounts. Who can see what you share. Let's get started with this first one. Then you can see who can see what you share, provide information, audience tagging, blocking. So by this, you can make your account private. Phone number only me. You can set this to friend only me or friend of friends. So by that, you can see only me, date of birth, friends of friends, the year. This year you can set this to only me. Can see. That's how you are going to make your account private. Hometown, you can see. Public friends only me. Can see. Then single, work, current city, Ibadan, Nigeria. You can see work. You can make this one friends of friends. Can see. So by this, you are going to make your account private and just going to click on next. Future post, Reels, devote audience, limit past post. Can see. So by this, can make your accounts private and post on that on your profile. Can be see more. Only me. Can set this to only me. You can see. Post in other places, review tags, review posts that you are tagged in. You can see. So by this, you are going to make your Facebook account private. You can see add to block list. Next, you also set closed. Then you can review this one to how to keep your account secure. Next, so you can see Facebook skip, current password, type password is your can see. Then you can set your password here. Add an extra layer of security to your account. You can see get started. This place you can add a security to your account, maybe by SIM or by an authentication app or more than one device. Can skip. All people can find you on Facebook. All people can find you on Facebook. We walk through the options to make sure that your settings are right for you. Continue, friend request, phone number, email. You can see now. You can even set this one to friends of friends, everyone. So by this can make your accounts, Facebook accounts. Can see people with your phone number, people with your email address. So phone number and email address. By this can make your accounts private. Via another topic, you are just going to go through this and read it carefully. That is just what you are going to do. Your data on Facebook. Can see continue. Your apps and websites and location remove. Can see trust pilots. Can see I also said review another topic. So by this can make your accounts private on Facebook. And see close. So the second method is for you to know how you can lock your profile. So if you know how you can lock your profile too, that one can even help you to secure your account, to make it private. So this is how you can make your account private. Just go through this thing, read it carefully, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel Aweyemi. See you in my next video. Peace.